Hello class, I'm Professor Sharks and this is Automotive Engineering, and today in 30 minutes or less you'll earn your Bachelor of Science, Master of Science and your PhD in Automotive Engineering so that you can become an automotive engineer and design cars. So it's actually a very simple process. First of all, is there anybody here who has ever used a tool of any kind, a screwdriver, a hammer, anything? Okay, I see a few hands. Okay, you're dismissed. We don't need that here. We need people who don't use tools. God forbid if anybody had actually fixed a car or knew how they work. Okay, is there anyone here who's ever been on a date with a real female? Not one you paid for, a real female? Two of you? Okay. You're dismissed. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. Is there anyone here who's potty trained? So your mommy doesn't still wipe your tushy? Okay. Those of you with your hands up, goodbye. You're gone. Now the rest of you, congratulations, you're automotive engineers. You now have a bachelor, master, and PhD in automotive engineering. So you can go design cars. Isn't that wonderful? That's all it takes to be an automotive engineer.